Well, hey guys and dolls, welcome back into the channel. Do you know what time it is? It is time for ALPP, baby. ALPP, woo! ALPP, woo! ALPP. If you love ALPP as much as me, go down in the comments, write ALPP to the moon because I want to know who you are. Guys, ALPP is finally in the green. We have seen some good news on Twitter recently, and I'm going to dive into the charts in just a second. We're going to go through a very quick analysis. I'm going to make this video just a few minutes for you, but it's a good day, guys. The markets are finally up. Our disruptive innovation stocks have started to turn around, and our ALPP, like I said, is in the green. So if you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Jason. I cover news on the stock market every single day, and ALPP is one of our favorite plays on this channel. I'm about one of the only people on YouTube that do regular updates every single week for our ALPP play. So if you love ALPP as much as us on this channel, then what are you waiting for, baby? Go down and smash that like button, turn it into a beautiful blue, and hit that big red subscribe button below and join this family of investors. Let's get into the charts. Alrighty then. Let's go. And guys, please excuse the hair because I've not had a haircut in like 4 months probably. So guys, up on my screen it says here that on March 29th, just 2 days ago, we did actually have some news out on Twitter, and it says here that Alpine for holding subsidiaries Quality Circuit Assembly estimates record revenue for Q1 of 2021 and 2 million in booked business for April 2021. And you guys know I have gone through all of the news on their Twitter recently, so be sure to dive through and have a look on any of the videos on my playlist because I do cover every single piece of news that does come out. Now guys, with ALPP today we are actually up over 10% and we are sitting around $3.50, and you can see that we have in fact bottomed around this chart where I did draw a support on just a few weeks ago, and we have actually leveled out just above that $3. So if we can close above at $3.50 today, guys, then that is going to be some good bullish news for ALPP, and we can expect hopefully then that we are now above the 21 SMA, which is over here, sorry, the 21 EMA, then you guys can expect that we will start to climb higher. And you can see that over the whole period since last May, we have only come down and touched the RSI 30 about 3 times. And again, recently we have just come back down to these oversold levels. So I don't think that this type of momentum is going to last. And as we do have that NASDAQ uplisting hopefully at some point in the future, again, we are not sure when that's going to come out. ALPP have said that they have done all they can right now, and it is just in the hands of the NASDAQ and the banks. It has got nothing to do with the company, guys. So please don't pay on ALPP just because they haven't uplisted. It hasn't got anything to do with them. Ken is giving us all the information that he can right now, and he has stressed to all of the shareholders and all company members that they are just in fact waiting. And again, I think this has all been delayed due to the pandemic. So I think that tomorrow, if we have in fact closed above $3.50, we may even be able to expect those new highs of $4 at some point in the future. And again, there is a very clear resistance, guys, here around that $4.50 mark. So this is going to be the new channel created for ALPP, and if we do in fact have a double or triple top, then again we will come back down to retest those lows of $3. And I hope now that we will not start to break down below those $3. It would take a sudden market sell-off, and again, if we do, I do think we are going to see that V-shaped recovery because you guys know the stimulus has just been coming out, and I think there is a lot of money that will start to flood back into these OTC markets, a lot of the penny stocks that we talk about, and also a lot of the growth sector that has been significantly affected over the last 7 weeks of selling because of that major transition in the stock market. Now, over the long term, I'm not worried about ALPP because like I said to you guys, I hope that you guys didn't buy in at $9 because I said they were going to do a share dilution and this was going to come back down to those levels of $5. So that is when I then started to re-average my position in. I did sell my position at $9, and then when it hit $5, I did start to load back in, and I have been slowly averaging my position down, and now we are at nice areas potentially where we can start to load up our boats and hopefully have that nice push. But guys, you always want to buy on those dip days, those red days. Don't buy on those green days because that is going to in fact heighten your risk. So right now I'm just going to be waiting for that NASDAQ listing and any other news that does come out, and I will keep you guys up to date on ALPP. Tomorrow we can hopefully expect another green day in the markets to start April. As you guys know, April is one of the best months to trade in the market, and I did do a big video on that on my channel. So I am expecting some good things moving forward for the next few weeks. So hopefully we will actually start to retest those highs soon enough of about $5. And if we can break above, and again that 21 EMA can cross over and in fact close above the 200 SMA, then in fact we will start to have some more bullish momentum moving forward, and we will hopefully then create a new channel with a new floor around that $4.50 mark to $5 and upwards. So guys, that wraps up this video for today. I hope that you guys are all well and you are excited for the month of April. I am going to try my hardest to get the Patreon out over the next 2 or 3 days, so be sure to watch out for that on this channel. If you are someone that is looking forward to joining up so we can have those chats. I can give you my buy and sell alert signals and alert you on any other news that I do have privately that I obviously don't post on here on YouTube. So guys, have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys back here on my channel in my next video. Ciao! Guys, I feel like doing a dance. I'm gonna have to do an ALPP dance video soon. You guys are gonna have to like it, so just be warned. ALPP! ALPP! ALPP to the moon!